Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Zungu and Gininda, Zungu Jr. and Gininda, and we are going to tap also into what Zungu Senior said in the courtroom while he was giving his evidence in chief with Advocate Mnisi. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's talk about this. Let's break it down. Do you think that Sizwe Zungu had a choice in this? Do you think that Sizwe Zungu is just plainly evil and an ambitious person who will do anything, or do you think who will do anything to get that promotion from being constable to warrant officer or whatever? I don't know. But what I'm trying to get at is there are so many options. It's either Zungu Jr. is a corrupt cop in the streets, not like Gininda is by the sound of things. It looks like he is a corrupt cop. He is dabbing into not so legal things and doing things that are not, yeah, there are things that he is doing that are not right. Also, it looks like Gininda catched on that Zungu is from KwaNongoma and Zungu is the South police officer, because that's what perhaps he tells people that he's from KwaNongoma, because that's where his father is from. And Gininda catched on that Mugai is from KwaNongoma and Nongoma has Inkabis, and Zungu is a dirty cop. Zungu Jr. is a dirty cop, and Gininda, when he found out the information, he saw an opportunity to solve a puzzle that he has on his hands, the Senzomiwa case. I think that's what happened. He saw an opportunity and he was like, then that means you are going to work for me. Could that be the reason Zungu got involved in this soup to begin with? That he was told, you are going to work with me, help me solve this puzzle that I have here, put together a grand plan to solve the mystery of the Senzomiwa case. Could that have been what happened? And then this one, because he's also greedy, he wanted to rise and shine in the police force. Now he was used. And Gininda also, he wanted to rise because he became a brigadier. Wasn't he a captain or something? I think he was a captain. So he became a brigadier. Now, once the case concluded, perhaps he was going to be a general. From a brigadier, he was going to be a general. I don't know. I think whatever. But he was going to go to the next level. Those are the chances. So both of them were ambitious men. This one on a junior position, the other one on a higher position, and both of them are chasing promotions, and they will do anything to get those promotions. Promotions were what they were looking for, chances. And the chances are Gininda was looking for promotions, and Gininda was also bribed by whoever. I don't know who. Those are the chances. By the sound of how he resorted to solve the case, it sounds as if brown envelopes were flying off. I could be very wrong, but this is me. I'm speculating. We are just trying to put the pieces, because now there's a cookie that is crumbling in front of South Africa and the world is watching. He told the courtroom that Mr. Zungu was the first lead to the breakthrough of the Senzomiwa case. Mr. Zungu comes now and says, first lead my foot. I was forced into this situation. We will do a separate video about that. So what I'm saying is, Could it be these are two greedy men for promotion? Gininda, this side, wanted to be a brigadier, move from a brigadier to a general, and this side, Zungu Junior, from a constable to the next page, is it a sergeant? To a sergeant, from a sergeant to a warrant, as the case got solved and concluded. Is that what happened? Both of them were greedy and were willing to do anything and sell people and mess up Ntanzi's life in the process and mess up Muzi's life in the process. Because there is that Tembisa case that is lingering on his head. That Tembisa case that is lingering, which is built because by the look of things, it looks like it was built because of the Senzo Meyiwa case, just to ned. Yay, these people messed up a lot of things for other people, guys. Yeah, they messed up a lot of things for other people. I am telling you, they messed up a lot of things. So it was promotions that they were after, and they did not care who gets hurt or whose life gets ruined or who gets imprisoned as long as they got promotions. Both of them are evil people, Gininda and Junior Sizwe Zungu. Sizwe Zungu, the constable, Brigadier Gininda, also, they are very evil people who ruined people's lives just to get by and go higher and higher in positions there at the SEPS. Now, with everything that is happening in South Africa with SEPS, now one needs to ask, is that how some of these corrupt officers go and move in the SEPS and the EMPD? No, 2025 is a year of expose. I don't think Gininda ever wanted to see this day. I don't want to be his wife if he is married, because the stress he is under scrutiny right now, and we are at liberty to scrutinize him unless he can pull a rabbit out of a bag and say, no, this man is lying. This is what happened. And unless he can pull something from somewhere, I don't know what. At this point, the only thing that Zungu Jr. needs to do is to hand himself to the police and say, you know what, I lied, and this is the reason why I lied. I wanted promotion, and I had pressure from Gininda, and this is what he has on me. And he must just go to prison. Become Section 204. He needs to become a 204 very fast. Uzungu. If I were him, I'll be contacting Aboma Kubo and become a Section 204 very fast before it rains on him. Because wow. Sanalami, wow. Hi, Gininda has become disgraced, including Zungu. They are a disgrace in this sense of, wow, they could do anything, even if it's evil. As for Zungu, to put his father, Zungu and Nandipha Magudumana, same WhatsApp group. If I want to do imikuba, let me do imikuba alone, but not bring my parents into it. Then they will find out about imikuba yam and be shamed again for imikuba yam, but they are not part of imikuba. So imikuba, uZungu ufaka ubaba yakhe kuye, uyafana noNandipha. Uyafana noNandipha. Anyway, Wena, what are your thoughts about this? Because I think there was a puzzle that was put, but I must solve a puzzle. Wena, you are going to assist me with bringing men from KwaNongoma so we can profile them. And the profiles were done with the brothers, with the Buthelezi brothers. When it did not work out, they came for these ones. When it did not work out that one, they came for these ones. Anyway, we are going to see. We are going to find out the dates. We are going to find out the dates when they went to the Buthelezi brothers. And then once we find out that, we will know they were the first option when. in the year 2019 or 2020 or whenever, and then we will see. We will see how this goes about. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.